What's going on, man? Right now I'm walking. Call myself walking to the grocery store. I just wanted to take a nice little walk through Thailand. I'm in Phuket Island. You can kind of see cars whipping up from this side of the road, not that side of the road. It's kind of different. It's a lot of jungle around here. It's really humid, it's hot, but not to me because I spend a lot of time in Arizona, so I'm not really affected by the heat here. The humidity is, I also stayed in Florida, so this really still ain't, it's not too much for me. It's a lot of bugs and mosquitoes and whatnot here though. That's what I would say. I kind of like it here, but I kind of like don't know because like some of these people here, they kind of rude. Maybe it's because they don't speak English. Maybe it's because they're not used to Americans or something. I don't know. I've been having fun traveling. I've been just doing what I can, trying to see the world while I'm working on my brand and other people's brands. The biggest thing that I really want to put out there is that you can do whatever you feel like you can do. You don't have to like know how you're gonna do it. I mean, like when I first came out here, I had no idea how I was gonna afford to stay in Asia. I only had a certain amount of money saved up before I came out here. You know, when you try to plan everything out and you plan it out to a T, it doesn't go as planned. But it happens in reverse too. You could be planning to go somewhere and do something but not have all of the money. And then all of a sudden your plans change and then all of a sudden you got money. So it works in reverse. I would like to say, like, sometimes you should jump into the deep water so you can see how well you can swim. You're not gonna just die. Well, you could, but you probably won't let yourself die. If you're a strong person, you'll fight. And so by me being out here on my own, I had a lot of things go wrong. My PayPal got messed up. My Fiverr account got shut down. And just a bunch of random stuff happened that I felt like would have made me have to go back home. But I stayed because I prevailed the situation and I just continued to grow and make moves that made it easy for me to survive. And I've been able to take care of myself one day at a time. So basically what I'm saying is if you end up in a situation where you have to, go overseas because you want to get away or you want to find yourself, I would suggest you do it. I mean, I have definitely found myself over here. I found who I am and what I'm capable of, and I've discovered all of my abilities to surpass all of the issues and problems that I thought that I would run into that I weren't able to get past, but I was able to get past them. So I definitely will not stop traveling now. Like, I mean, I'm really excited, man, to see more of what God made and just, more of what's popping out here. I just want to see the rest of the world. So hope you subscribe and stay on this journey with me. I got a lot coming on, a lot to show y'all. All right, man, peace.